As a teen, Princess made this clock for Mrs. Steve, but it's not survived moving very well. The adjustment knob for changing the time is missing, and if you put a battery in it, it doesn't run. So today I'm going to fix this for Mrs. Steve. Six screws hold it together. This clock movement is a clip-in type. These fingers hold it in. The important bit for getting a replacement is measuring the height of the shaft and its diameter, and ordering one that's got pretty close to the same size. The important bit is how far it sticks through the hole in the middle, and whether it's clip-in like this type, or if it's got a threaded sleeve with a nut and washer that clamps it to the clock face. And the replacement has arrived. It's clock hands. New movement piece. And it looks the same. Now I'm hoping the old hands fit this one, and it looks like they will. Nope. Nope. But that brings up the story of grandfather's axe. I'll put notes about that in the description. So we are going to have to use the new hands. I'm going to go with these. And let's verify. There we go. Put a battery in. The second hand is moving, so we know this one's good. There we go. Why does it feel like it's not sitting well? Looks like it's not fitting that hole very neatly. I'm sure I can do something about that. The edges of this hole are a little bit rough. I'm just going to use an X-Acto knife and see if I can clean that up a little bit. All right, let's see if That fits a little bit better. Yeah. So the clock face that Princess made for this it's a little wrinkled. We're going to try and do something about that. I would like to try and iron it flat, but I want to be gentle and not damage it. This is a piece of a case from a computer, and so is this. If I use the hairdryer, I can warm up the metal. I've sandwiched the clock face between 2 sheets of craft paper to protect it. So I can warm up this metal, that metal, put it in between, let the heat just kind of warm, soak through it, and hopefully relax the paper flat. Now, I don't know how well that worked. Kinda. It helped a little bit. Okay, I need to clean up that center hole a little bit. It's just a tiny bit small. I'm really tempted to glue that down, but we can do that another time. Put the hands back on. Set them to noon. Okay, and that doesn't care which side is up. Put the screws back in. Of course, I didn't push the second hand in all the way. Let's try that again. All right, now they're all on the way they're supposed to be. battery in. And it's 11:45. Probably should have tested that first. The hands are jamming up against each other. It's real easy to bend the clock hands, and that appears to be what I've done. So now I got to try and bend them back. So let's make sure the hand's clear. Yep. Okay, so it's about there. Okay, still running. Oh, there we go. The clock Princess made for Mrs. Steve is working again. The inserted face still not real flat. I'll keep an eye on it. If it becomes an issue and I have to glue it down, I can come back and do that, but I don't want to change this any more than I have to at one time. I'm already a little sad that I had to change the hands, but it's better to have it running with new hands than not working. So I had a little fun fixing this clock. Swapping out the clock movement's pretty easy. Till next time, I'm Steve from the YouTube channel Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. Pain sensor. Polymerizing.